Welcome to Ocean Science. Today we're in the Maldives, or at least that's what the journal says. We are now in Tuscany, in a place known as the White Beach, and we will explore why this happens. This can be a normal landscape in another part of the world, as the Maldives or even Puglia in the south of Italy. But it's not this case. So what is happening here? As you are thinking, here we have a human impact, and mostly a chemical impact. Because behind me we have a fabric. This fabric is the Solvay factory, and here starts everything in the 1930s with the acquire of the terrains. And in the 1970s, here all the workers moves on to this small village that changed the life of the people here 1 century ago. But what they actually produce here, they produce derivatives of the carbonates, some soda and another carbonates, so they use a lot of chemical substance. And after the years, these products make change on the sand and change on the water. But you can ask, what is the problem here? Because many parts of the world has this landscape and this white beach with this color on the sea. So the problem here is not a natural environment. As an oceanographer, I can say that the change on the chemics change everything and makes harder for the life to adapt to this environment. Of course, the calcium and the sodium are not the only elements that they are putting here on the sea. We have also heavy metals, as the arsenicum and high levels on mercury. And this, of course, doesn't help to the situation. But before I say mostly chemical impact, and I say mostly because it's not the only one. Here we have also a thermal impact from the change on the temperature from the things that comes from the fabric to the sea. And this is a physical impact that changes all the dynamics that we have on the coastal zone. And of course, we can go here and swim in these waters because it has all the sanitary requirements to that. And here we don't have only local but also European demands for being one of the most polluted beach in the European Union. But here seems like nothing is happening. Also situations like this, the eutrophication of one place. We see here some algae that indicate this particular place with nutrients and the thermic conditions for growth. So we see how they big can be. If you are seeing this video, it's because I don't lost my hand here, so I can edit this. So the solution now is close this and put all this family to search a new home and a new life? No. We can have another solution for this. We can have more purificators and more circuits inside of the fabric to change the chemics of these waters and to get lower the temperatures that go outside and arrive directly to the sea. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching. If you know more situations like this around the world, let me know in the comments. I will read you, and if you enjoy this content, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you the next Saturday at 12 with the next video. Bye bye!